It's a parking garage service station. Let's see what's behind the blue door. Oh look, it's a red monster truck. It's an Iron Man monster truck. It's so cool. It's red. This monster truck has big tires and a red and yellow body. It's so cool. Let's park this monster truck on top of this parking garage. Oh look, it's a blue Avenger monster car. Vroom, vroom, vroom. This monster car also has big tires, and the body is blue with some yellow. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Let's park this on top with the red monster car. Vroom. Oh look, it's another red monster car. It's a Spider-Man monster car. This car also has big tires, and it is red and blue. And look, there's a picture of Spider-Man. Vroom, 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 vroom. Let's park this monster car with the other two monster cars. Vroom, vroom. Are you here for a monster car? Alright, let's bring one down. Here's a red monster car. It's red just like you, Elmo. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Okay, Elmo, let's see what kind of tricks you can do. Wow, Elmo, you're a good driver. All right, Elmo, have fun driving the monster car. Are you here for a monster car too? Okay. Here's a blue Avenger monster car. Alright, Peppa, off you go. Cookie Monster, you want your monster truck too? Cookie. Alright, here comes your monster truck. Here's a Spider-Man monster car. Wow, Cookie Monster, you're so good! Alright, are you ready to enjoy your monster car? Okay, Cookie Monster, see you later! Well, I hope you guys had a good time watching this video. I had a fun time playing with the monster trucks. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for future videos. See you later. Bye!